In this video I will show you how to fold a Christmas tree fast and easy. Fold your bill in half lengthwise from the bottom to top. And open it back up. Fold these two corners to the center crease. Then fold this part of the bill to the center crease again. Do the same with the other side. Fold the bottom of the bill to the top. Fold the top down and flip the bill around. And fold the top down until the edge touches this part of the bill. Flip the bill around. Fold the edge inward and pay attention that this part still looks like a tip. Do the same with the other side. And open both foldings back up. Fold the edge to the center and pay attention that the edges down here are directly on top of each other. Do the same with the other side. And here's your Christmas tree. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now have fun making Christmas trees. See you next time!